Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, yesterday we completed lesson number 6 of your textbook. Today we are going to write a paragraph. Dear students, I am going to show you the grammatical structure to describe an object. Dear students, this is the grammatical structure to describe an object. Dear students, this paragraph is of 15 sentences. The scheme of sentences is as: 1 introductory sentence, 2 simple sentences, 1 sentence with and, 1 sentence with but, 1 sentence with moreover, 1 sentence with its, 1 sentence with its using and, 2 sentences with like to or do not like to, 1 sentence with have to, 1 sentence with should, 1 sentence with must, and 2 closing sentences. These are 15 sentences. This is the paragraph of 15 sentences. Dear students, there is a web to describe how you will write the sentences. Dear students, this is the web describing an object. Dear students, you will make sentences and describe the object using the condition of the object, size of the object, color, price, components, weight, shape and appearance of the object. These are 15 sentences and the structure have been described to you. Now I am going to show the paragraph that I have written for you. Dear students, the topic of the paragraph is my computer. This is introductory sentence. I have a computer. Simple sentence number 1, it is new. Simple sentence 2, it is expensive. Next, it is black and white. This is color. It is big but light. This is but sentence. Its monitor is colorful. Its sentence, second its sentence, its keyboard is soft and attractive. The use of its with and. It is shiny and beautiful. Moreover, it is stylish too. Use of moreover. I like to use it to study. Use of like to. Similarly, I do not like to play games on it. Use of do not like to. The use of have to. I have to use it in the evening. Next, the use of should. I should take care of it. Use of must. I must shut it down properly. Next, I like it. This is closing sentence number 1. I like it very much because it is useful. Last sentence, that is closing sentence. It is a blessing of Allah for me. Students, these are 15 sentences that I have told you. The students, you will write another paragraph on my laptop of 15 sentences using the same structure. Okay students, take care of yourself. May Allah bless you. This is the time to say you Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.